What is up, you little carrots? Welcome back to Farming the Market. This is your boy, the Average Trading Joe. Just want to bring you guys on here. I did watch this Akebia investor presentation on Friday. It was like 4 o'clock, a little bit after 4 o'clock Eastern time that it came on. So I wanted to show you guys the slide and give you guys a little bit about the, basically like a little rundown of what I found important during the presentation. So we go to Akebia's website, we come down to press releases, there you go, that's what they were talking about. The results from Protect. And then we come down here to investor presentations. Event details, Akebia's investor briefing webcast, view presentation. Let's download it. Alright, so basically, I'll zoom in on here a little bit for you guys, but we're going to be talking about Akebia's, basically they had an investor presentation on last Friday, a couple days ago. Today is Sunday. Stock ticker price is around 3 something, a little bit over $3 a share. I think it's like 310, 312 a share. They had a massive market correction like a month and a half, 2 months ago, from a failed safety study on their vadadustat. So I'm just going to kind of scroll through this here and give you guys the information that I found relevant during the investor study. I wanted to watch it so you guys didn't, or listen to it, I'm sorry, so you guys didn't have to actually listen to it. So basically, Akebia sent 13 abstracts to the FDA for testing and approval. That's pretty sweet. That's a lot of different things they're working on. Basically, they're on phase 3 for vadadustat. They have, in the United States, there's 500,000 plus patients on dialysis, which is a potential for a multi-billion-dollar market for them. It's like literally over $2 billion in market value that they could gain just by this information that they're reporting on Friday, a couple days ago. So I'm just scrolling through here so you guys can read it. If you guys want to get on to the nitty-gritty, you guys can go onto Akebia's website and listen to it all. But basically, they got the vadadustat, and then they have an Innovate program. They had a large sample size. They had 3,923 patients with a very long follow-up time. They also had a very, very diverse patient group. I was looking through the stats on that. They had a really diverse group, so it was a very all over the place for the results. They had new dialysis patients, long-time dialysis patients, you name it. Basically, they have 2 different things right now, the vadadustat, and then they have a darbepoetin alpha. The darbepoetin alpha is a subcutaneous injection, and the vadadustat is an oral, like a medication, like an oral, whatever you want to call it. But basically, they had really good results. They said that basically another upside to Akebia is that they have earnings coming out on November 10th. So if you guys are looking for a nice earnings run up, it might be them on November 10th. That's like a week and a half away. They literally said that they are meeting with the FDA by the end of the year, and they're going to be submitting for the vadadustat by early next year, 2021. So this vadadustat, they were showing really good results. They're showing that they can basically hang with the big dogs, and they can make it happen. So if you guys aren't in on Akebia, please check it out. I know I keep harping on it. This is going to be the last video until probably the earnings report, if they don't have another article come out before that. But just to give you guys an idea, Akebia, like, they were literally over $10 a share. They were over $12 a share like 2 months ago. So if you guys haven't looked at them, please look, because I had too much of a market correction to be as far down as they are right now. So take a look at this investor presentation. You guys have, a little bit of time until the market opens up tomorrow morning. But I would look into getting into Akebia shares and possibly long calls on it. But that's all up to you guys, whatever you want to get in on. They got the Innovate and the Protect programs. It was just crazy. They had so much stuff going on, so much cool stuff happening. They literally sounded excited. I was really I had a good time listening to the presentation. So if you guys have an hour, please give them the time and just listen to it. It's on Akebia's website. This is just a slideshow that they were showing. But thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe if you guys like the content. And let me know in the comment section what stocks you guys are looking at. What are you guys investing in? Let me know if there's something you want to see a video on. And let me know if you guys are in on Akebia or not, because I'm like very bullish on Akebia right now. So I want you guys to take a look at it. I want you guys to know about it. I want you to kind of know what's going on. But really cool. They're making strides, and should be a pretty good company to hold. I mean, long term is like I said, $2 billion market for the patients on dialysis alone. So that's just half of their patients that they're going after with the chronic kidney failure. So just take a look at Akebia, guys. If you guys like the content, please make sure you like and subscribe. That way it'll help out my channel. And thank you guys for watching. I'll see you on the next video.